Okay, so the way this game goes is two of you.
Can I do something?
This one? You want to be the guy who does sound effects? Okay, so why don't you be, yeah, we'll mediate. The way this game goes is two of you are going to be acting out a scene. So are any of you guys comfortable acting out a scene?
Sure.
I should have. Yeah, great. All right, I like the enthusiasm. So, and these guys are going to be doing the sound effects for them. So, Sam is going to be doing sound effects for Luna, and
Joe
is going to be doing sound effects for
Peter.
Peter. Okay, so let's give them a scene. This game is a little intermediate / advanced.
They're
Where are
looking
they?
for the golden statue of Hoobdumbai in a mystery jungle.
Oh my god, why? Yeah. Okay.
Mystery treasure.
So,
in the jungle, middle of
so
the
you
jungle.
guys are onto that, and what you guys have to keep in mind is that they're going to be doing sound effects, so if you want to cue them in or set them up, yeah. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Oh my god, did you hear that?
I think we're in the bird sanctuary.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's my cell phone. I'm sorry.
Turn it on!
I
Turn it on! Right now.
I'm so sorry. You know, I need to be professional.
Unless you have GPS.
Well, but it's, I turned it off. I don't like turning it on and off. It's just a
Do you have
I
roaming
just-
charges?
That's a good point too, as well. I just don't.
Do you have Verizon?
You know, how's that commercial go for Verizon? It's like,
Ding, 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 Verizon.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, so
what about
no.
the map? What about the
Yes,
map?
okay, the map.
Where's it going? What is it?
Isn't it interactive? Wait,
I
go.
can tell if this word is upside down. It's like Hoobdumbai.
Oh my god, no. It's like holographic. That's crazy.
Whoa! Whoa! Let's spin it. Whoa!
I think it has a built-in movie theater setting too. That's awesome.
That's
Okay.
awesome. Wow,
Well,
that's real.
and then we'll get
Oh my god! What is this? Oh!
That's a statue! We're awesome!
We have to open it. We have to open it.
What?
We have to open it. It's like,
Dude, it has some theme song.
that's
awesome!
I don't think we should touch it. Let's not touch it. You touch
Okay,
it.
we
You
don't want
touch
to
it.
touch it. Well, we can use this
Down
other.
by that
Why? I don't know.
knob-looking
There's two statues. Let's do this.
The
Two statues.
knob-looking hook thing.
I'll use this statue and touch that statue.
Push it. Push it. Oh, that's really weird. Let's give it the map. Let's feed it. Let's feed it. Where's the
What?
map? Where's the map?
Wait, shit, trying to talk to us. What?
No one.
No